Hello and welcome to our course on creating a website from scratch using Bootstrap 4. My name is Lawrence and I'm so excited to have the opportunity to be your instructor for this course. So within this course, we're going to be taking you from start to finish on how to create a website, just like the one that we're looking at right now, all the way from scratch. This is a modern website, fully responsive, so it's made with Bootstrap. So that means that whenever we shrink the size, then we're going to see that our navigation menu shrinks and the stacking of some of the images are all responsive, and the different grid outlines and resizes and resets depending on the size of the screen. So this is all done using Bootstrap. And Bootstrap is an amazing framework for quickly developing websites from scratch. All you have to do is link to the Bootstrap CSS library, and it already comes prepackaged with all of these amazing components and utilities that you can use in order to build out your web projects. So Bootstrap is an HTML, CSS front-end framework, so it also includes some jQuery, so that's a JavaScript-based library, and it really does allow you to do some really amazing things using Bootstrap. All of the source code is also included to get you started quickly building out websites from scratch using Bootstrap. I also encourage you to work alongside with what we're doing within the course lessons so that you can experience how easy it is to build websites. So I know you're excited to begin, and in the next lesson, we're going to show you how to set up and get started using Bootstrap 4. So that's coming up.